guys, we are back with another video. We got a request to show you guys us unpacking or us like dumping it out of the can, you know. So right here we already have some, as y'all can see, my sister holding it up. Yeah, and then I have a can right here that is filled to the top. I'm so sorry the video cut off, but
as we promised, we will be picking a winner in this video.
The 4 winners, and as y'all commented, we just want to thank y'all. Okay, we don't want to make this like a talking video, but we just want to thank y'all for showing us love and you know all of the support, keeping the negative comments away.
We really do thank y'all for real.
We appreciate it. So yeah, let's get into this video. Here's us unboxing, you can say. I don't know if girl.
We really did pack these.
Hold on, I'm gonna go get a knife. Hold on. Okay, so as y'all can see, I got the knife. I seen somebody else doing this in a different video, so let's just try.
Just let it turn like this.
Hold on, maybe I can. Yeah. Alright, so now that I took this off, let's get back to the box.
Hopefully it worked way better with that.
Yeah. Girl, these came right out. Ooh, and they kind of big. Okay, so yeah, I'm not trying to make no mess. But yeah, here they go.
And here's our other chunks.
And then this will be like us unboxing 3 of them. Those are boiled right there. These are canned chunks in the oven. And the next one that we have are some, I told you that I will try it again. So yes, we do have some microwave chunks. Just stay tuned.
And with these chunks right here that I'm finna start eating first, we boiled these and then we baked them.
Yep, and these are just the baked. Those are Clabber Girl, and these are Clover Valley. Y'all, I am so happy with my results, with our results. Well, my sister packed these ones down, but let me show y'all. I am just so proud because my chunks, y'all already know our chunks don't really come out. They usually come out like this, but this time.
So, y'all,
as we promised,
we got straight Argo in this Jiffy box.
Microwave chunks.
So,
if y'all are wondering what that noise is, that is my nephew. He's crazy. Hold on, don't try to get it, make a mess. Hold on. Unbox it over this. So, pick it up.
Oh, I forgot there was a bag in here.
No, just... It's kind of difficult, y'all. Hold on, do it over there.
This is really like...
It's messy when you unbox it. It's very messy. Hold on, don't try to squeeze them. These are our microwave chunks. We got some. They're not big or anything, but you know they're better than last time. You know, so getting better.
Yeah.
Microwave chunk. Let's see. That's so tempting. Hey guys, we're coming back to you guys with the winners. It was very, very, very hard for us to choose.
Very hard.
But man, we finally came up with the results. So yeah, we're gonna pull them up on her phone.
This is
Hold on. Okay, so the first girl that I want to shout out is Queen B. The reason I've chose you because you just show so much love to our channel, and I feel like you deserve it. You wanted the Argo Laundry King Spread and Hearth Club. You will be getting that. Now she chose one.
And then I chose Ace because so like I was saying before this picture had fell, I chose Ace because I see you on the bottom of our videos a lot. So you will be getting your cornstarch.
Okay, and the other person that I chose was Robin Silly. I think that I said it right. Let me see. Robin Silly, you wanted the Clapper Girl, Clover Valley, Chestnut Hill. Your name is Robin. So yeah, girl.
You will be getting your cornstarch too. And then my last person I chose was Molly
Bunny.
And I just see you like, I think you a new subscriber to our channel, but you actually commented your name and your 4 favorite starches, so you was my second person I chose.
And then I did want to just shout out one more person, Yana Babe LOL. You're commenting on our videos a lot, showing a lot of love. And yeah, so guys,